Hello folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue, bringing you another video talking about the Google Ads competition, this time in the Tampa Bay area for auto repair. If you'd like to see a similar video for another niche or another city, please drop some comments below. If you have any thoughts about these videos, please feel free to drop those comments below as well. Once again, Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Now let's hit the Tampa Bay area and let's check out this competitive niche. So you can see that in the auto repair niche targeting Tampa Bay, which I targeted 4 cities, Tampa Bay, Lakeland, St. Petersburg, and Clearwater, we had 35 competitors in this area. And this is in a 24-hour schedule. So you can see that while we didn't have tons of advertisers at any one time, you had quite a few advertisers overall. In the early morning times, which is probably the most prevalent time to wake up and find out your car isn't working, you could have up to 17 advertisers. The keywords that I targeted for this were transmission shop near me, car repair near me, mechanic near me, mobile mechanic near me, auto repair near me, car shops near me, auto mechanic near me, car mechanic near me, auto shop near me, and I think there was a couple other ones. No, that was it. One thing that surprised me was that the transmission shop was the most used keyword for this exercise, probably because it is the most expensive and most specific keyword. I would say that if you want us to run a Google Ads campaign for your garage, we can. There's going to be a lot of keywords around a lot of different services. That's something I should mention as well. If you need help with your Google Ads campaign, reach out, Inbound Revenue. We've got lots of options. So let's take a look at the search competition. Once again, we have a lot of advertisers. They're going to be national, local, and some other blend. Let's take a look. Yes, there's a lot of advertisers. It looks like you have to be in the top 8 to 10 to be competitive in this space. So let's take a look at the top advertisers, what their ads and their landing pages look like. We'll sort these by the number of ads that they ran. You see, none of them ran a huge number of ads, but these were the top advertisers. Wrench.com, which I'm guessing is, well, I guess we'll find out what they're advertising. Mobile mechanic near me. Is this a lead gen type of campaign, I would guess, for national advertisers selling leads? Let's take a look at their landing page. Mobile mechanic. First, let's take a look at their ads. They do have some extensions. That's not bad. Let's take a look at their landing page. Okay. Peace of mind delivered. Get a quote. Fleets. Auto repair on your schedule. Do they have a phone number? Or there is a get a form call to action, which I presume opens up a form or opens up some sort of list that you can submit your information. There is an 800 number. I like those at the top. Okay, that's interesting. And this is obviously a large advertiser. Is that perhaps a chain? Wrench comes to you. Join the team. I'm not sure. Let's go take a look at our second advertiser. Second advertiser on the list is Your Mechanic. Let's take a look at their ads. Mobile mechanics near me. Same day repair, instant quote. This is either, once again, a paper lead generation site, or it is a national franchise. Let's take a look. Mechanics that make house calls in 2,000 plus cities. Interesting. How it works, services. So this is a website, not a landing page. There is no clear call to action at the top. There is no phone number. You can get over 500 car services, see all services. Life is too short to spend. Oh, it's an app. Okay, that explains it. So if you're your top number 1 and number 2 advertisers in the region are not for a local shop, they are for a lead gen national player, I guess, an app. And let's see what Rapid Repair is. Nearest car repair shop, free tow with repairs, 300 plus. They have some dollars and some numbers in their ad copy. I like that. They've got some offers in their extensions. They are running extensions, so that's cool. Let's see what type of advertiser these guys are. St. Petersburg Auto Repair. Okay, so this may very well be a local advertiser. Nice. Schedule appointment, phone number. Nice looking site. Offers. I think they're doing well. Honest One, Carol Wood. Sounds like a local advertiser. Let's take a look at it. Tampa Auto Repair Shop. Same day service available. They've got some extensions. Nothing, no particular offers that I could see in their ad copy. Ad copy is pretty consistent. Let's take a quick look at the page. So the landing page or website. It's hard to tell. Tampa Auto Repair. I'm guessing that this is local. They have some offers. Do they have a quick call to action up here? Phone number. They have Hispanic answering. Okay. So this appears to be their website. A bit dated, but as seen on the Bay Area News, okay, I like it. Definitely doing some work on their marketing. Let's take a look at one more. So we've seen a national, an app, 2 locals, and I suspect this is another local. A local customer favorite, highly rated auto repair jobs of all sizes. No particular offers, but they do have a variety of ad copy. They've got some extensions. So let's take a look at their landing page or website. Now we're going to land on their website. It is a local company. So, and it is their website, but they've got a phone number, they've got appointments, they've got all the things that you'd want to see. So the important thing to know, if you're going to advertise in the Tampa area for auto repair, is you've got a lot of competition, and you're going to want to make sure that you're competing up here not only with your local advertisers, but you want to really stress the local side so that people don't get pulled into the apps and the nationals. If you need help with your Google Ads campaign, let us know. Just reach out to us at www.inboundrevenue.com. My name is Mark Kelly. If you have any comments about this video, or you want to see something similar or something different, or a niche in another city, just drop your comments below, please.